Forgotten username recovery failed on Capify Fix. If your Capify username recovery keeps failing, don't panic. Most people get this wrong because they think Capify still uses traditional usernames. The surprising truth is that Capify now relies on your registered email or phone number for login, which is why the old username recovery process often fails. Here's how to fix it step by step. Step 1. Open the Capify app or visit the website. Enter your registered email or phone number instead of a username. If you're unsure which email you used, search your inbox for messages from Capify like loan confirmations, payment reminders or account statements. Step 2. If you've forgotten your password, click Forgot Password and follow the instructions sent to your email or phone. Make sure to check your spam or junk folder if the reset message does appear immediately. Step 3. If you signed up using a third-party login, such as Google or Apple, use the same method to access your account. Switching login methods is a common cause of failed recovery attempts. Step 4. If you still cannot access your account, contact Capify support. Provide your full name, registered email or phone number and mention that your forgotten username recovery failed. Their team will verify your identity and restore access securely. Most users think their account is lost or locked, but the real reason recovery fails is simple. Capify removed usernames to streamline login and increase security. So don't worry, your account and funds are safe. Use your registered email or linked login, reset your password if needed, and you'll be back managing your Capify loans and business finances in minutes.